Eliminate illegal interference and safeguard the peace of the blue sky. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the online class of Emergency Response Training course for Aircrew Major. The topic of today that we are going to study is General Illegal Interference Incident Treatment. In the course of flight, in the face of illegal interference behavior, what should we do as a flight attendant? In this course, we will help you comprehensively master the disposals of general illegal interference events through theoretical explanation, case analysis and simulation exercise. In this chapter, we first need to understand the four course objectives. Understand the definition and type of illegal interference event. First, we should make clear the scope of illegal interference event, including verbal threat, physical conflict, carrying contraband, etc. Master the emergency disposal process. In learning, we should understand the complete process of the final disposal of illegal interference, including reporting, stopping, educating, assisting and other steps. Improve emergency responsibility. In this course, we will enhance our rapid response and effective communication ability in emergency situations through simulation exercises. Strengthen the awareness of laws and regulations. After the simulation drill, we should learn about the relevant laws and regulations and clarify the rights and obligations of stewards in dealing with illegal interference incidents. Now, let's start study. First, let's take a look at the General Illegal Interference Incident Overview. Definition: illegal interference refers to any act that destroys flight safety, disturbs cabin order, and endangers the lives and property of passengers and crew. The following types are common illegal interference events in the cabin. Type: verbal threats, such as threats, insults, etc. Physical conflict, such as beating, pushing, etc. Carrying contraband, knives, guns, explosives, etc. Others, such as opening emergency exit without authorization, smoking, etc. We need to make clear the seriousness of these incidents, which may not only disturb the harmonious atmosphere of the cabin, but also directly threaten the lives of passengers and crew. Next, let's learn the process of emergency response. Let's analyze and learn from a case. During a flight, most of the passengers were immersed in a peaceful journey. However, one passenger launched a verbal attack on the flight attendant over the seating issue. Because he felt that his seat was too small, he arbitrarily changed to a more relaxed emergency exit position. Upon discovery, the flight attendant immediately dissuaded the man from returning to his seat. The passenger, a middle-aged man who looked annoyed, shouted and asked the flight attendant why he could not sit in a more comfortable seat. The flight attendant smiled and explained the airline's seat assignment rules to the passenger. Patiently listening to the passenger's complaints and trying to find a solution. However, the emotions of the passengers did not seem to be calmed, but more excited. And his words were full of threats. He said, "If you don't let me sit here, I'll open the emergency exit." Everyone, if you were the flight attendant, what would you do? At that time, the flight attendant realized the seriousness of the situation, and she immediately reported the situation to the captain on the walkie-talkie and asked for the help of other crew members. At the same time, she continued to communicate with passengers in a gentle but firm tone to avoid further escalation. After the flight attendant reported, the purser also approached to the man's side The purser told the passenger what the risks and consequences would be if he opened the emergency exit during the flight. Finally, she tried to communicate with him to find another spacious seat. With the efforts of the stewards, the passenger's emotions gradually stabilized. Through this case, we can see that, in the face of such interference events, the steward's emergency handling process is as follows: discovery and reporting. Discovery. Stewards should be vigilant at all times and should take immediate action once illegal interference is found. First report to the captain or aviation safety officer and briefly explain the situation. Deterrence and education. Deterrence. Try to stop illegal interference while ensuring your own safety. Education, legal education for illegal interrupters, explaining the seriousness and consequences of their actions, and persuading them to correct or suspend them immediately. Assistance and cooperation. Assistance. Work closely with other crew members to maintain cabin order. Cooperation. In case of emergency, cooperate with the captain to take compulsory measures and report to the ground public security organ in time. Follow-up record. Record the event in detail, including time, place, person, behavior, etc. Handover. After the plane lands, the illegal interrupter and relevant evidence shall be handed over to the ground public security. After learning the case, then, I arranged a plot simulation exercise for you. Drill content: 2 passengers in the cabin, physical conflict. The steward quickly intervened to maintain order and reported to the captain. Through situational exercises, we can not only deepen our understanding of crisis management processes, but also enhance psychological resilience in practice, and learn how to stay calm under pressure. Work perfectly with team members to ensure quick and effective action in real emergencies. Conclusion. As flight attendants, we must have a deep understanding of aviation laws and regulations. By studying laws and regulations, we can better fulfill our responsibilities, ensure flight safety, and maintain good order in the aviation industry. Through the study of this course, I hope you can internalize these knowledge in your heart and behaviors, and always be vigilant in your future work to ensure flight safety and passengers' rights and interests.